Manual, spreadsheet-based commission tracking is a nightmare. It's time-consuming, prone to errors, and it's a huge source of frustration for both sales reps and management. This is the problem Spiff solves. Think about it. A sales rep closes a huge deal. They're excited, they're celebrating. But in the back of their mind, they're wondering, when will I get paid? What's the exact commission on that deal? What about the accelerators? The lack of clarity is demotivating and can create a culture of distrust. With Spiff, that's gone. Reps have a real-time view of their earnings. They can see exactly how much they've earned as they close deals, which is a massive motivator. It's like a live leaderboard for their wallet. This transparency builds trust and keeps your sales team focused on what they do best, selling. And it's not just for the reps, for sales operations and finance, Spiff eliminates the administrative chaos. Building and managing complex commission plans and spreadsheets is a full-time job. What if you need to change a Spiff or add a new accelerator? It can take hours, even days, to update all the formulas and ensure accuracy. Spiff automates this entire process. With its low-code builder, you can design, model, and adjust compensation plans with ease. This means sales leaders can be more agile, quickly launching targeted incentives to push a new product or meet a quarterly goal without creating a spreadsheet nightmare. Spiff also helps with disputes. Instead of sifting through countless rows of data to figure out why a rep thinks their commission is wrong, you have a clear, auditable trail. Every calculation is transparent, so questions can be resolved instantly. This saves countless hours for everyone and eliminates a major point of friction between sales and finance. Ultimately, Spiff replaces manual work with automation, replaces confusion with clarity, and replaces frustration with motivation. It allows sales managers to stop being accountants and start being coaches. It gives sales reps the real-time visibility they need to stay motivated and focused. And it provides finance teams with a single, accurate source of truth for all compensation data. In short, it's a strategic solution that drives performance and growth by bringing trust and efficiency to the heart of your sales organization.